Something I don't normally do is I've ordered some plants, live plants. These are rudbeckia, and there's about 30 plants there, and this is lavender, 30 plants there. I've been waiting over a week for these, but they seem in good condition and they were packaged well. I got these from DT Brown. I've got some other live plants on order, red currant bush, blueberries. They'll be arriving over the next couple of days. So I'll go and get these all sorted now and get them in the ground or in pots, because there's 30 of each here. Here is another box of plants. Well, there's only two in there. There's a blueberry and a red currant. These arrived, whoops, shake your hand. These arrived early evening last night, so I've just opened the box up to check what was in it, and then left them to sort out today. And today my final box of plants have arrived. You can see how well packaged these are so that they stay upright, because it says on the side of the box, I've only opened one because they're exactly the same. It says live plants this way up, big letters, and they're supported, which is brilliant. And these are all grafted pepper plants. So I'm going to put them in the greenhouse, let them acclimatise a bit before putting them in the ground. So that's my plant haul. Bye!
It's a